أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد.
Somebody wrote to me, do we really need to understand all these parallels to understand the Surah Yusuf? No, you don't. You don't. I do. I'm good with that. I don't think there's any end to contemplating the word of Allah. I don't think there's an end to it. And if there is something that's worthy of contemplation, if you notice something, then you make it a point to explore it. أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. This is an ocean that doesn't come to an end. So understanding its message is one thing, but contemplation on it is a journey that will never end. It will absolutely never end. It will never stop giving. No one will ever be able to say everything that had to be extracted from a single ayah has already been extracted. One ayah is an ocean that has no bottom. That has no bottom. And we will dive into that ocean, we'll come out of it with a couple of drops. Our entire lives will dive into it, we'll come out with a couple of drops, and nobody will have the arrogance or the audacity to say, I've experienced that entire ocean, I can move on to the next ocean now. Because your entire life drenched in the ocean, you can only come out with a few drops. That's all you can do. That's all human capability is. And that's why Allah compares His words to the oceans. And even if others were added to it. I mean, who are we? Let's just, one day when COVID-19 is over, just go stand at a beach somewhere and think about the word of Allah. Think about every drop in the ocean as a drop of wisdom from the word of Allah. How much wisdom when will we ever be able to say that we've extracted all the wisdom there is to extract? SubhanAllah. Or we've experienced every drop of the ocean, we've experienced it. Every treasure lying at its bottom, we've experienced it. Every scene it has to offer, we've experienced it. You know? And the analogy of the ocean is so powerful. It sustains the earth. The ocean sustains the earth, like the word of Allah sustains the earth. The ocean contains endless life in it. Life and life and life. And it's a endless source of rizq for the world. And the Quran is a source of rizq for us. The ocean is a purifier. The word of Allah is a purifier. The ocean can be a source of mercy and a source of destruction. The word of Allah, when taken into account, is a source of mercy. When abused, is a source of destruction. The Quran can either stand for you or stand against you. May Allah make it stand for us. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.